In a world filled with constant noise and distraction, there exists a timeless practice that has been revered across cultures for millennia. A practice that taps into the depths of human experience, offering profound physical, mental, and spiritual benefits. Today, we embark on a journey to unlock the power of fasting, a journey that bridges ancient wisdom with the demands of modern living. Welcome. Across the annals of history, fasting has held a sacred place in the hearts of cultures spanning the globe. From the austerity of ancient ascetics to the disciplined routines of indigenous tribes, fasting has served as a conduit for spiritual enlightenment, physical purification, and cultural communion. In this discussion, we explore the diverse traditions of fasting, taking inspiration from the wisdom passed down by our ancestors. Join us as we uncover the secrets of fasting and learn how its ancient principles can lead us to better health, increased awareness, and deep fulfillment in today's world. Across the sands of time, fasting has been woven into the fabric of human civilization, revered as a sacred rite in ancient cultures spanning the globe. In ancient Egypt, fasting was not only a means of purification, but also a deeply ingrained religious practice, symbolizing spiritual renewal and communion with the divine. From the solemn rituals of the Egyptian priesthood to the rites of passage for the pharaohs themselves, fasting played a central role in the quest for eternal life and transcendence. In the cradle of Western civilization, ancient Greece, fasting held sway as a symbol of self-discipline and philosophical contemplation. From the austere practices of the Stoic philosophers to the solemn observances of the Pythagorean mystics, fasting was seen as a means of purifying the body and sharpening the mind, paving the way for deeper insights into the nature of reality and the human condition. In the ancient lands of India, fasting emerged as a cornerstone of spiritual practice, embraced by seekers and sages alike on the path to enlightenment. From the rigorous disciplines of yoga and Ayurveda to the ascetic practices of Jainism and Buddhism, fasting was seen as a means of transcending the limitations of the material world and attaining union with the divine. For millennia, Indian sages and saints have extolled the virtues of fasting as a potent tool for purifying the body, calming the mind, and awakening the soul to its true nature. In the vast expanse of ancient China, fasting took on a multifaceted role, intertwined with the tapestry of Taoist philosophy, Confucian ethics, and traditional Chinese medicine. From the rigorous disciplines of Taoist immortals to the medicinal fasts prescribed by ancient physicians, fasting was seen as a means of harmonizing the body, mind, and spirit, cultivating balance and vitality in the individual and the cosmos alike. As we peer beneath the surface of ancient wisdom, we uncover a trove of scientific insights into the profound effects of fasting on the human body. At its core, fasting triggers a cascade of physiological responses that go far beyond mere abstention from food. One of the key mechanisms at play is autophagy, a cellular process in which the body cleanses itself of damaged or dysfunctional components, promoting cellular repair and renewal. Furthermore, fasting induces a state of ketosis, wherein the body switches from burning glucose to burning fat for fuel. This metabolic shift not only leads to weight loss, but also confers a myriad of health benefits, including increased energy levels, improved cognitive function, and enhanced insulin sensitivity. Moreover, fasting exerts a powerful influence on hormone regulation, modulating the secretion of insulin, ghrelin, and leptin, among others. By reducing insulin levels and increasing sensitivity to leptin, fasting helps to regulate appetite, promote fat loss, and prevent chronic diseases such as diabetes and obesity. Research has also shown that fasting promotes cellular repair and regeneration, leading to increased longevity and vitality. By stimulating the production of growth hormone and triggering pathways associated with longevity and anti-aging, fasting holds the potential to rejuvenate the body at a cellular level, slowing down the aging process and enhancing overall health span. In summary, the science behind fasting offers compelling evidence for its myriad health benefits, from promoting cellular repair and metabolic flexibility to enhancing longevity and vitality. By tapping into the body's innate healing mechanisms, fasting holds the key to unlocking a state of optimal health and well-being, aligning ancient wisdom with modern science in pursuit of a vibrant, harmonious existence. Beyond its physical benefits, fasting has long been revered as a sacred pathway to spiritual enlightenment, cherished by adherents of diverse religious traditions around the world. In Islam, fasting during the holy month of Ramadan is regarded as one of the 5 pillars of Islam, a sacred duty that fosters self-discipline, empathy, and devotion to Allah. Through abstaining from food and drink from dawn to dusk, Muslims seek to purify their souls, deepen their connection to the divine, and cultivate compassion for the less fortunate. Similarly, in Christianity, fasting has played a central role in the lives of believers for centuries, symbolizing repentance, self-denial, and spiritual renewal. From the solemn observance of Lent to the ascetic practices of monastic communities, Christians embrace fasting as a means of drawing closer to God, purifying their hearts, and preparing their souls for communion with the divine. In the rich tapestry of Buddhist traditions, fasting is often practiced as a form of self-discipline and mindfulness, aimed at transcending the cravings of the ego and attaining inner peace. Whether through the rigorous disciplines of Theravada meditation retreats or the compassionate practices of Mahayana bodhisattvas, Buddhists use fasting as a tool for cultivating insight, compassion, and wisdom on the path to enlightenment. In Hinduism, fasting is deeply ingrained in the fabric of religious life, with devotees observing various fasts and festivals throughout the year to honor the gods and seek their blessings. From the austere fasts of Ekadashi to the joyous celebrations of Navaratri, fasting is seen as a means of purifying the body and mind, invoking divine grace, and attaining spiritual liberation. Ultimately, across these diverse religious traditions, fasting serves as a potent catalyst for introspection, mindfulness, and connection to a higher power. By temporarily abstaining from the pleasures of the material world, practitioners seek to quiet the chatter of the mind, awaken the soul to its true nature, and experience the profound peace that comes from union with the divine. In our fast-paced, hyper-connected world, the ancient practice of fasting offers a beacon of hope amidst the chaos, a pathway to reclaiming our health, vitality, and inner peace. One of the most profound benefits of fasting in the modern age is its ability to sharpen mental clarity and focus, enabling us to navigate the demands of work, school, and daily life with greater ease and efficiency. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, enhancing brain function, and promoting neuroplasticity, fasting empowers us to unleash our full cognitive potential and unlock new realms of creativity and productivity. Moreover, fasting has emerged as a powerful tool for weight management in an era plagued by obesity and metabolic disorders. By promoting fat loss, improving insulin sensitivity, and regulating appetite hormones, fasting offers a sustainable and effective approach to achieving and maintaining a healthy weight, free from the pitfalls of fad diets and quick-fix solutions. Furthermore, in the face of rising threats to our immune system, from environmental toxins to infectious diseases, fasting has been shown to bolster our body's natural defenses, enhancing immune function and resilience. Through mechanisms such as autophagy, fasting helps to cleanse the body of toxins and pathogens, strengthen the immune response, and promote overall health and well-being. But perhaps most importantly, the benefits of fasting extend far beyond the physical realm, touching the depths of our soul and spirit. Countless individuals have shared stories of profound transformation and healing. Through fasting, recounting experiences of spiritual awakening, emotional liberation, and profound self-discovery. From overcoming chronic illness to transcending limiting beliefs, fasting has the power to catalyze profound shifts in consciousness, freeing us to live with greater authenticity, purpose, and joy. As we embark on our journey to harness the transformative power of fasting, it's essential to arm ourselves with practical tools and knowledge to navigate the path ahead. Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or a curious beginner, incorporating fasting into your life can be a deeply rewarding experience, yielding profound benefits for your physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. First and foremost, let's explore different fasting methods that you can experiment with to find what works best for you. Intermittent fasting, characterized by cycling between periods of eating and fasting, has gained widespread popularity for its simplicity and flexibility. Popular approaches include the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, and the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Another approach is time-restricted eating, which involves consuming all of your daily calories within a specific time frame, typically 8 to 12 hours. This can be as simple as skipping breakfast and having your first meal later in the day, allowing your body to enter a fasting state overnight. For those seeking a deeper level of cleansing and rejuvenation, extended fasting may hold appeal. This involves abstaining from food for longer periods, ranging from 24 hours to several days or even weeks. However, it's crucial to approach extended fasting with caution and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health conditions. As you embark on your fasting journey, it's important to start gradually and listen to your body's signals. Begin by extending the time between meals or experimenting with shorter fasting windows, gradually increasing the duration as your body adjusts. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, herbal teas, and electrolyte-rich fluids to support your body's natural detoxification processes and prevent dehydration. Now let's address some common challenges and misconceptions about fasting that may arise along the way. One common concern is the fear of hunger and deprivation, but rest assured that hunger comes in waves and is often temporary. By staying hydrated, keeping busy, and practicing mindfulness, you can navigate through moments of hunger with ease. There's a common misconception that fasting results in nutrient deficiencies or muscle loss. However, research suggests that well-structured fasting methods can actually preserve lean muscle mass and enhance overall health. By prioritizing nutrient-rich foods during eating windows and maintaining balanced meals when breaking fasts, you ensure your body gets the vital nutrients it needs. Additionally, fasting is synonymous with restrictive eating or fostering disordered eating habits. But when practiced mindfully and with self-compassion, fasting can foster a healthy relationship with food, promoting balance in mind, body, and spirit. By embracing these practical tips and dispelling common myths, you can embark on your fasting journey with confidence, knowing that you have the tools and knowledge to thrive in today's fast-paced world. As we draw near to the culmination of our exploration into the profound depths of fasting, let us reflect on the wisdom unearthed and the pathways illuminated on our journey. Through the lens of ancient traditions and modern science, we have glimpsed the transformative power of fasting, a power that transcends time and space, bridging the gap between past and present, spirit and matter. By embracing fasting as a sacred practice for modern living, we have the opportunity to unlock the timeless wisdom of our ancestors and tap into the limitless potential that resides within each of us. We invite you to embark on your own journey of discovery and self-exploration through fasting. Whether you seek physical vitality, mental clarity, or spiritual awakening, fasting offers a pathway to wholeness and healing that is as ancient as it is profound. As you embark on this sacred quest, remember to approach fasting with reverence, curiosity, and self-compassion, trusting in the innate wisdom of your body and soul to guide you on your path. We encourage you to share your experiences, insights, and questions in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel as we continue to explore the depths of human potential and the mysteries of existence together. May your journey be blessed with wisdom, grace, and boundless love. With that said, thank you for watching, and until next time.